Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Matt here and I'm here to bring you another video. So today I get to unbox and open something that I've been wanting to unbox and open for a little bit of time now. As you guys know, I've been going caseless this entire time. And I had a brief stint with the grip case, maybe for like 2 hours, and then I went back to going caseless. And I'll tell you what, I really love feeling the metal of the iPhone. Like, it's kind of silly. You know, you have this piece of hardware, and obviously Apple takes a lot of time to design it and make it and try to make it the best that it can be and all that. But just to be able to feel the phone in your hand and everything like that, it's honestly amazing. And regardless of how great this case is that I'm about to unbox, there's a really good chance that I still go back to being caseless. Just because, you know, I complain about, I want to have the dbrand skin, but I also want metal buttons. Well, here you go, dbrand skin, metal buttons, and really good metal buttons. But I've also been wanting to try this case for a long time, and that's going to be the Ghost Case 2.0. I was never able to get the first version, so let's get this thing unboxed. They really know how to box things. All right. Now, I always love their boxes. I know it's going to be hard to see. You might not be able to see it at all on here, but it does say Ghost Case 2.0, and you literally just slide it out like this. All right, so we're going to take this off of here. And there's going to be some things to peel off, but this is the case. This is it. So let's peel this first layer off. All right. And we're just going to pop this guy in. So, And this is how a clear case should be done. I mean, that is, I wonder how the fingerprints are going to be, because every clear case I've ever used, it's been a fingerprint magnet. But I don't know, this looks dope. Like, I like how this looks. I like how the buttons feel, very tactile. So this thing is really grippy on the sides and on the top. It's got a really nice tight fit. Okay, like it's very firm, very tight fit. You probably hear my 2-year-old in the background. But really nice, tight fit. And clicky buttons. It's not the same texture as the grip case, but it's still grippy. It still feels good in the hand. It's not like the bare metal, I can tell you that much. It is definitely not like the bare metal. And they say this has 12 feet of drop protection, so I don't plan on testing that anytime like soon. But I think it looks really good. I like how it looks. I like how it feels. I am going to test this out for a week or two. And then at that point, I'll decide if I want to go back to being caseless. And let me tell you, the magnets, I mean, they're strong. This is definitely a strong magnet. This is my Moft tripod stand, and these magnets are strong. So hopefully you like this quick video. I'll give you a longer term review of this case, and right now I think it's a winner. So like, subscribe, hit that bell so you get notified when I put out new videos, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye.